yung ganyang klase ng trabaho, hindi madaling trabaho po yan. Di niyo po naisip kung mga criticisms na po pwede niyo pong makuha with this type of job, handa na po ba kayo para doon?
Ang dami ko din, DJ Chacha, ginawang discernment dyan and prayer, asking for signs, asking for direction. Kung kaya ko ba to, since I offered already, saka ko inisip, kaya ko ba to, or ano ba exactly ang magagawa ko for them, ganyan. So, but through discernment, alam mo naman, pag-isipan natin mabuti ganyan kaseryoso, di ba? And then I sought advice also from some of my mentors. Meron akong mga ilan na mga senior citizens na who teach me rin how to navigate my career, even in private practice. Noon, yung mga retired justices din ang kinoconsult ko. So, they said, na-convince din ako na kaya mo yan. If you really want to help the country, ituloy mo na. Parang ganon. And of course, you would know also my background, who first gave me the opportunity to serve the country in a national scope. Kasi mahabang experience ko sa government, pero maliliit lang. In an LGU, and then I was in the House of Representatives for a while as political affairs officer. And then this one is service in the national scope na. Kaya kailangan ko talagang maraming pag-iisip. And marami akong pag-iisip na ginawa din talaga for this.